Hi friends, welcome to a very important lecture. In today's lecture, I am going to teach you how to effectively use newspaper for the UPSC Prelims examination. How to put less time, less effort and extract maximum marks from the newspaper. Guys, one of the secret behind my success in the Prelims examination is my command over newspaper. Guys, I cracked the Prelims examination 6 out of 6 times, scoring one of the highest marks in the prelims examination, 30 to 40 marks more than the cutoff. Multiple times I have scored more than the cutoff, 20-30 marks. I was able to do this because of newspapers, guys. But the problem is many aspirants, they do not know how to effectively read the newspaper. Guys, newspaper can be your biggest asset, biggest strength if you really know how to use newspaper, and newspapers can become your biggest weakness also if you do not know how to use it and you waste a lot of time. I have known guys, I have seen guys, lot of people who have wasted their entire attempt just because they spent 3-4 hours on the newspaper and they did not know exactly how to extract relevant stuff for the prelims examination. Guys, many aspirants, they fail to maximize their return on newspaper because they exactly do not know what to focus upon, how to read the newspaper. In today's lecture, I am going to demonstrate to you with one news item from today's newspaper, and I am going to teach you how you have to think when you read newspaper, how you have to analyze the newspaper, how you have to make notes from the newspaper, how you have to practice questions from newspaper. Guys, remember, you are reading newspaper to crack the prelims exam. You are not reading newspaper for general awareness. Remember this. Many people, they lose track. They think that they are just passing time, they are just reading newspaper for knowledge. Guys, in UPSC examination, knowledge is not relevant till you convert that knowledge in marks. You have to convert that knowledge in marks. Why I was able to score one of the highest marks in the prelims examination? Because I converted my knowledge into marks. Today I am going to teach you how you can convert the time which you spend on newspapers in marks, because it is marks which matters. Nothing else matters in the UPSC exam. In the end, knowledge doesn't matter. Hard work doesn't matter. Coaching doesn't matter. Test series doesn't matter. What matter is, are you able to score in the exam? Today I am going to teach you how to read newspapers effectively so that you can score marks in the exam. Okay guys, so what we have to do, two things we have to keep in mind when we read newspaper. Okay, two things we have to keep in mind when we read newspaper. One is the syllabus and other is the PYQ. If two things you keep in front of you while reading the newspaper, your newspaper reading will be really effective. Okay, so this is today's newspaper clipping, one news item from economy section, economy page. Okay, one small article, okay, one corner of the page. Let us read the article, guys. Let us read the article. Article says, tides turn for Machilipatnam. Tides turn for Machilipatnam, an ancient port set for revival. Okay, if you read this, they have talked about how this port is getting revived. Okay, so this is given in economy section. But if you have done the PYQ analysis, if you really done the PYQ analysis, this is one of the most important topic in history. Let me show you guys. So you can see this question which came in 2017 UPSC prelims examination. Which one of the following was important seaport in Kakatiya kingdom? And you can see one of the options was Machilipatnam. Guys, Machilipatnam is one of the important ports in ancient India, in medieval India, and even during the early modern India. Guys, you can see here another question which came on the same theme. This is direct. You can see how we have to do PYQ link. This is direct. One of the option is mentioning this topic. Guys, again you can see this is a theme. This is the theme. This is direct PYQ. This is PYQ theme. With reference to ancient India, what is Korkai, Pumpuhar and Murichi? What is Pumpuhar. What is Korkai? It is a port. This is direct PYQ. This is what? This is a PYQ theme. So you have to prepare both. Whenever you read newspaper, you have to prepare direct. Is the topic directly coming in the PYQs? Yes, then the topic is very, very, very important because it has already been coming in the prelims exam. Or you have to see to it what is the PYQ theme. This topic comes under which PYQ theme, which is popular in the prelims exam. You will come to the conclusion that the theme is called history map, and within history map, ports. Okay, let me show you another question, guys. Another question, you can see again a question on exactly the question on Muslipatnam English East India Company. They set up a factory in Muslipatnam, first time in South India. First time in South India. This is a very important fact. So what do you do? Okay, in the newspaper, these details will not be there. So what you have to do? You have to do Google search. You have to do Google search. If you do Google search, guys, you will get some good content. Okay, like this is the IGNOU. This is the IGNOU material on Muslipatnam. Okay, just read. Just cursory link you have to give, and you have to prepare some notes, 4 or 5 sentences about Muslipatnam, the history of Muslipatnam, the ancient history, the medieval history. Okay, the Portuguese, the Dutch, the English, who came first, who left, who came last, the factory which was set up in Muslipatnam, what was the kingdom under which Muslipatnam was there during the medieval ages. All these things you will get. Just cursory look. Okay, just look, glance. It's called glancing, and prepare some bullet points. Because when you read this newspaper, here you will not find anything. Here you will not find. Just they will write ancient port. That's it. Here they will not write anything detail of this. So that's what you have to do, and that is what I do. So guys, what I do is that whenever I read newspaper, I came across some topic, I link it to the 25 years PYQs. Guys, this is called PYQ mastery. Guys, I have analyzed the last 25 years PYQs theme wise. Guys, very important that you prepare theme wise PYQ. Theme wise PYQ is very, very important because this will let you know that what are the themes which are popular in the UPSC Prelims examination. Then only you can score like me. Okay, once you do that, what you do is that you can see here PYQ theme wise videos I have prepared. You can watch that. Okay, then what I do is that I link them and I frame 10 questions daily. 10 questions daily I give in my Lakshya batch. All these questions are prepared on the repeated PYQ theme linking to the current affairs. Just now I showed you how today I am going to frame a question on Muslipatnam. Okay, so this 10 questions, when you solve these 10 questions, you basically, you can see here, you basically, okay, solve not only current affairs question, but also you are practicing the PYQ theme, because all these current affairs questions I am framing on PYQ theme. Okay, you can see here 14 July, 13 July, 12 July, 11 July, 10 July. Every day I am giving you 10 most important. These are not just any questions. These are the best questions which you can solve, which are framed as per the PYQ analysis and current affairs linkages. Okay, and every day what I do is that I prepare this capsule. This is called capsule. What is capsule, guys? Prelims capsule. It is for once you have read the newspaper, just kind of a summary, 1-page summary on most important prelims stuff. You can get this prelims capsule in my Telegram channel. If you want to join my Telegram channel, guys, this is completely free. Prelims capsule you will get in my Telegram channel. This is my number. You can see 44. Okay, you can see this number. You can note it down and you can ping me. Search my Telegram channel on the Telegram app. Okay, it is Optimize IAS Ask Santosh Sir. Search it and join that channel. Daily you will be getting this prelims capsule. Okay, and what I do, this is like newspapers for the mains. These are the prelims stuff, and this is the main stuff. In the entire newspaper, what is relevant from the mains? Daily I give, you can see topic, and I am giving the linkage of the section also. You can see this. This is how I give. This is how I give. This is today's newspaper. This is today's newspaper analysis. What is important from the mains point of view? What is important from the prelims point of view? Prelims point of view, what is important? I'll be giving a notes, and I will giving you 10 questions also, 10 questions, and I'll be giving you prelims capsule also. And what is important for the mains, I'll be discussing in my DPS sessions. DPS sessions, guys. Okay. So you can use all this for your exam. The DPS sessions for the mains and for the prelims. So just don't read newspaper. Passive reading of newspaper is a waste of time. If you can't do the manner of analysis which I have shown you today, this is how you have to analyze the topic. Let me just show you. Okay, if you can't do like this, the manner I have shown you, then better not read newspaper. Directly read our DPN prelims capsule and solve the 10 questions. At least you will know what is important, because if you're just blindly reading the newspaper, you are wasting your time. So guys, use my expertise, use my experience of cracking prelims 6 out of 6 times to crack the next year prelims. Guys, take help from experts. It will reduce your mistakes, it will reduce your effort, it will reduce your burden. Okay guys, if you like this video, consider giving a hit and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this channel with all the friends who are preparing for the UPSC Prelims examination.